This is a production of Cornell University.
Well, we bought a drone for our field research program this year. It's been very helpful for us to be able to see our studies from the air. A lot of times you can see things that you wouldn't notice so readily or at all from the ground, so it's been very useful. One of the other nice things about it is for interested parties who can't make it to the site, we can send them photos with plot plans so they can see treatment differences for themselves. It's very simple to operate. You can set it to take photos at any interval you like. We have it set to take a photo every 5 seconds, and you can also do video. Take the memory card back to the office, plug it into my computer, and choose the photos that I want to save and get rid of the rest.
This has been a production of Cornell University, on the web at cornell.edu.